because we're curious about this move of Edvard Folks to both create and present caricature and satire to a mass audience through the Postillon and also through these books, these albums, which we'll show you a little bit later, we wanted to see what happens, in our era and in the prehistory of our era in countercultural newspapers and underground fanzines and other marginal productions where caricature and satire really flourished in the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. This is an example from the East Village Eye, which was a magazine published in New York's East Village by Leonard Abrams in the 1970s, showing a centerfold drawn by Chris Kohlhofer, who's a German artist who was living in New York, with a caricature of Jimmy Carter, then President of the United States, showing a $25 billion US bill and changing some of the iconography to include dark shadows of racism and warmongering in the culture at that time that don't appear on US currency, but in his mind he thought they should.